Good day, guys. Welcome to my channel. We're here again next to this beautiful river on a nice hot summer day, and I'm going to be unboxing a new pump that I received from OutdoorMaster. For those who follow my channel, you will see that I normally use the Shark 2 and Shark 3 inflation pumps from OutdoorMaster. This new one, it's a mini, new and improved, more compact than the Shark 3. So this is the Shark 3 mini inflation pump from OutdoorMaster. It's an electric rechargeable pump. This pump can inflate paddle boards, kites, air mattresses, any floats like floaties, beach toys, inflatable boats, dinghies, rafts, and inflatable tents. It has, for every charge, you can inflate about 4 times, inflate, deflate, 4 paddle boards. It goes up to 20 psi pressure, from 0 to 20. There's 2 types of input where you can charge the pump. You have the standard car charger, and then you have a USB-C port. They can charge it from any household outlet. Another thing that it says here that is safe for airline travel. As you know, airlines don't allow you to carry some equipment that has lithium-ion batteries. Supposedly this one is allowed. And it's also a power bank. In emergencies, you can connect your electronics, you can charge your phones, cameras, any electronic devices, maybe even drones out of this pump. So, let's proceed to open it. We have a hose with all the different nozzles. Different nozzles that you might need for paddle boards, inflatable beds, inflatable tents, kayaks, whatever. We have a manual, tells you how to use it in different languages. There's English, French, German, and a few other ones. And then we have the actual pump. This pump, the feet, they're suction cups. So if you put it on top of any shiny area or surface, it won't move. Like if you're in a boat or, I don't know, a table, folding table, whatever. So it's got suction feet. Over here is where your ports are. This is your charging port for vehicle charging, and this one is for USB-C. This one, just under cigarette lighter, car charger. You connect this one here, and you can charge the pump from your car. Now, if you're not with your car, and you have a power bank, or say a Jackery or any other power station, even solar panels, the pump comes with USB-C and a USB-A, standard USB connector. You would connect this one here, and then this to the wall or to a power block. Over here you have an inflate port and a deflate port. So when you're ready to inflate the big side, do this, screw it in there. Then you would take your, in my case, I have a inflatable kayak. I would take this connector and screw it into this side of the hose. If you wish, what I did with my other pumps, I just took it off here and I kept this in a separate bag so it doesn't hinder me the operation of the hose. Okay, this second button with the arrows changes your the item you're trying to inflate. So you have a stand-up paddleboard, you have a kite, mattress, like so, kite, mattress, 3 things. And the numbers here is there, you can change it to PSI, bar, or minimum. So for example, my kayak needs 2.18 psi for the sides and 8 psi for the inside, the drop stage floor. Then when you're ready, you connect it to the item you're inflating and just press the power button again one time and it starts up. Since this is an unboxing, I'm not connecting to anything. I didn't bring my kayak right now. But in my next video, I'm gonna use it with my kayak so you can see exactly how it operates. And then on the later stages of inflation, compressor will start up. You'll hear a louder noise, like the compressor. And then when it reaches the set pressure, it will just stop on its own. As you can see, it's not that big. The Shark 3, it's a lot bigger than this, a lot heavier. So this is for people who need a more compact pump. Maybe you're doing a backcountry trip or so on, and you want to carry a big pump. This is a lot better than the previous one. So the Mini will inflate a regular sized paddleboard in 5 minutes, 20 seconds. And the Shark 3 minutes, 50 seconds. The weight, this weighs 4.4 pounds or 2 kilograms. And the regular size Shark 3, it's 3.2 kilograms or 7.05 pounds. Same power supply, same maximum pressure, 20 psi. And everything else is very similar. It's just the weight and the speed of inflation. It's got a power bank function of 20,000 mAh. You have 8 nozzles that come with the pump. So that's it for now. Hope you like this pump. If you're interested in it, follow my channel. Stay tuned for future videos I'll be making using the pump with my kayak. If you are interested in it, if you'd like to order one, I'll leave the description down below on this video. So for now, happy camping, kayaking, outdoor adventures, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.